Cái được chưa thôi. Cho em nữa.
Có tôm trẻ rồi.
Sắp đi.
Tôm trẻ rồi. Con nhớ hỏi đường Brisbane. Ôi à, bla.
Một lọ đấy. Centimeter. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our first fish, 31 centimeter. Okay. Cái đời nó mất rồi. I still want to go and get the water. She's gone down there to get the water, a bit of water. Trời muốn đấy phải đi thắt lề đấy, phải đi thắt chế nó cho là công chế chế thua em chế thế thì chạy giờ này chạy rồi giờ này lấy cho trở lại tôi qua chế chỉ sợ sai chế yếu có yếu luôn chế nó mà chế chạy thế này giờ này trả rồi giờ này chạy ở giờ này dân tu đây chế là cũng chỉ chạy thế này tôi chế nó chỉ là nâng 9 cm nè. Okay, first fish, 31 centimeter. Nó không bọt. Bà mình không vòng xuống đó, để chỉ cái bóng trên đó. Thế đó. Brave. Oh yeah. We're still gonna say if it's legal or not, but I do.
No, that's legal.
Yeah, but I do believe it's legal. So
29.
That's an awesome.
29 centimeter.
Yeah, that's a good one. You know that fish would be at least maybe 10 years old.
Yeah, it is true.
That's a good one.
Trên nó cổ xuống không? Hai tử nào?
Nhắc nó lên thêm.
Luôn à. Luôn à.
Được ra sai đã chỉ là theo từ mình.
Luôn à. Cổ xuống nó vẫn nó nè.
Xa xuống có mà xa xuống. Ló xuống. Tôi xa.
Anh trên nè. Mà trên ló xa nó chỉ không để lờ. Nhón lồng để nó lờ.
bit out.
Too.
29.
Yeah.
Another 29. Here we go. Here we go. A bit too small. We're gonna let this one go. This one is too small. We're gonna let it go. I heard you and you heard me, so we're equal.
Thấy tụi con bị khô hết.
Có tôi vẫn còn rồi.
Cô hết cơ.
Nó đã mở kia đó nhỉ?
Today they come fishing at the rock.
Yeah.
And you still got here?
Yeah, guys. Watch how we fishing. See if we're gonna catch any good fish or not. My wife have a good sight, but they are just lucky. Here we go. Here we go.
Got the fish.
You guys see the fishing rod bed? This is all the fishing net they like. The rod bed and the real rod or making sound. Right, at the speed at the moment, it's not bad at all if you're coming. I've been experimenting all along the rock and it's not bad.
Bên đó ổn. Em mê. Nên có trâu thế vậy?
Nah, 25 centimeter, it's gonna go back. Okay, guy? 25. It's gonna go back. 25, we're not taking it. It's legal, but we're not taking it. Okay, play by the rule. A lot of people telling me that got to be on side, but I said no, not on side. Always side. On side it's 25 centimeter, but 26 and above, it's alright. I'll be happy if people taking 26 and above. Okay, so this one just past 25, it's gonna go back. Here we go. Love you guys all.
Trên trước của tôi ba bé hát chị hát đi.
Okay guys, here comes another one. Don't know how big that is or how small that is. I lost my one. My wife still got her. Small. There we go. Huh? Yeah, we'll let that one go. That's about 25, 24, 25. This one seems a bit big. Nice bread. Yep, my wife said 33. Plus 26 plus, but not 27 yet. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've been coming fishing at this pier for about 3 weeks now. Isn't that right, Ben? About 3 weeks, and every time when we reach here, the wind is always very strong. Can you guys hear the wind? That's how strong the wind is. Oh, here come a puffer fish. Oh way from the toilet to the roundabout where the shop is. It's gonna go back. Cái này là cheese. Hả? Cái này là bò cho để hay. Tập lại. Chạy luôn à? Run off. Now the wind starts to pick up very strong. But we're gonna go soon, okay guys? Nông là nó chống tâm bộ. Bỏ cho là nông là mua. Xí hở ta chứ dù là nó cũng tao cũng tốn cần đỡ rồi chứ. Nó xe sống rồi luôn, có mà không nó xe ở đây. Bộ tờ nhất tôi này chứ là. And not throw the bait in the water because of the seagull. As soon as you, there you go, as soon as you throw it in, they come like, look at that, so many now. It's scary. As soon as she put it in, she caught a fish. But she got to pass those seagulls. Those seagulls. She lost. Tuần thọ là? Tuần thọ đến mùa. Tuần thọ đến mùa. No, đến mùa. this is how much we get for today, okay guys? So we hardly miss it all. I've been experimenting from the toilet. Toilet is on that side. From toilet, keep on coming, follow the footpath, and that's the mount. Okay, I've been experimenting from the toilet right to the lighthouse, the first lighthouse, not the end lighthouse, to the at the mount, okay, the lighthouse near the roundabout that way. And every day we hardly miss it. We don't get that much, but we hardly miss it. So this is about 10. I say I'm not counting yet, but about 10. Okay guys, thank you for joining us. I catch you somewhere